Everyone, in this video we'll see one hands-on on function templates. So let us write one simple function to find minimum from the array. Number of elements in the array is given by length. So algorithm is very simple. We'll assign first element as a minimum. Then we'll compare this minimum with the rest of the elements, and if there is element which is less than minimum, we will update the minimum. After one iteration of this loop, we'll find minimum, we'll simply return it. Now let us call the function from main, for which I declare one array of integer with few random numbers. So there are 5 elements in this array. Now let us call this function with this array, and length is now 5, and try to display the minimum number. Let us compile this program using clang and execute it. To see the output, it works fine. Now we need to convert this normal function to template function. Let us go back and write the syntax. Template is the keyword, and type name, here generic type name I used is T, which I'll use as a return type and array of type also. No need to modify this length because it is always integer. Even local variable is also modified to T. That's it. So we converted normal function to template function. Now let us call this template function for integer. So minimum in angle bracket int will use. Let us save this, compile the program using clang++ compiler and execute it. We get correct result. Let us instantiate the same thing for double. So I'll declare one double array with few random numbers in it. So let me take few values randomly. So I selected 4 values here. Now let me just modify the variable name of min to min int, and I'll declare one more variable minimum for double, and which is equal to, I'll call the template function for double. Whatever result, I'll simply display with minimum double equal to, and let us save the program, again compile it with clang++ and execute it. It works well for primitive data types. Now let us check for user defined data type, for which I'll write one class distance, which will represent distance in feet and inches. So I'll take two data members, feet and inch. Now while providing facilities, we need to observe the requirement of our template function. So for example, if you see the template function, we have declared one object, say t mean. That means it requires default constructor. So let us write default constructor, in which will initialize feet and inch to 0. Now next, in order to create objects with some feet and inch part, let us have parameterized constructor wherein we pass two values. F and I, which will be assigned to feet and inch respectively. So now that becomes our class distance. One more requirement is we are comparing it with less than operator. So we need to overload this operator in our class. So its return type is bool. Name of the function is operator less than, and then we'll pass one object of distance. Now here, if feet part of both is same, then we'll just compare the inches and result will be written back. So that will be treated as bool. So, and if feet part is not same, then we simply compare the feet part and return the result. So that becomes overloaded less than operator. Now let us go to the main function and declare one array for the distance. Now here I'll make use of parameterized constructor to create the objects. So first distance is 5 feet 6 inch, second one is 5 feet 5 inch, and third distance object created with 5 feet and 9 inch. Now let us declare one local variable to store the minimum object. So min dist is assigned with calling the minimum function now with for distance. Now here three objects are there in the array, and now we want to display the result. Note that we displayed the primitive types integer and double directly with cout. Here with object we cannot do that, so either we need to overload insertion operator or we need to write a separate method. So let us write another method called as show, which will display the distance. Let us add this method in our class. So void show, and we'll display the feet part followed by single apostrophe, inch part followed by double apostrophe. So this is the show method. So we have displayed it here. Now let us save this code, go to the terminal, compile it and run it. It works for distance also. Thank you.